Also guys, in this particular tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to a new website where you can use to generate your videos using Seedance. This website is so far currently is very free and it gives daily credits. So guys, if you're ready, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Well, the first thing I did was to first of all come to ChatGPT. I used ChatGPT to just create because I needed my image to use for my generation. So I had to just come here and just create my image. So you can use anywhere platform you normally use for generating of your image. So this is once I immediately got my image. Now we're going to the website. We are going to turn this particular image into a video so that we are going to animate this particular image. So now this is the website you're going to be using. I'll be putting the link to this website in the comment section. Guys, please do check it out. Now, what you can just simply just do, you can see we have login. So right now we don't have an account, so we have to create an account. So now from here, you can see I can sign up with my Google account. I just go straight. So let me go quickly just sign in with my Google account and we'll proceed from there. All right, guys, immediately you sign in, you're going to be given 50 credits for this thing. Then they'll now give you additional 30 credits for daily. This one will never expire, but this one expires every Monday by this. So now that means for each account they'll give you daily free 30 credits. So you have to keep note of that. So every day you have to come into this website to accumulate your credits, guys. That's what it actually means. Now, what I'm going to now do is you can see over here, when you check this particular website, you're going to see that I love the simplicity of this website. So you can see we have AI snipe, AI image. You can also generate an image here, but not with my credits. I had to use a platform where I know it's going to be free. So that's why I had to use Google. I have to use ChatGPT. So now, once I'm here, I'm going to now click on this AI in video, since we are here to do videos. You can see up here we have upload image. So I'm just going to click on it and then bring in my image. So when my image is uploading, now you can see here it is basically we have text, image to video, we have first in with, so you can choose any one you want. It also have motion control for those of you that want to do motion control. Now let me just try something. I want to see how much if I want to do motion control, how much is going to cost me. Now I'm going to be using Clean AI, and you can see it is for pro users, so you have to have a pro account to be able to make use of this particular motion control. But I'm go back to use this one. Now on this side, you can see from here we have the divide fault is going to be 1, and you can see how much it costs for 1. So now on that Seedance, you can try pick verse. This one is going to cost you 11 credits. So if you want to maximize your this thing, you can make use of this and generate. It's going to give you more ability to generate more videos. You can say with this, you can generate at least up to that kind of 7 videos on this particular platform with this particular the credit they give you right now. So now let me now 6 to 7 videos around that amount. Now but I'm going to be using for this video, I'm going to be and see what they try. Let's say VL3, this is the amount. If you try the 3.1, this is the amount. Now you can see once you go on that clean, let's see, this is the amount. Then let's say clean 3, this is the amount. Now I'm going to make use of, let me go to under Seedance. Let's say Seedance costs 30 credits. Now I'm going to go ahead to see, okay, let me see, there's 1 point, I think I can say this one to cost 111 credits. So guys, you can generate at least 6 videos from this website using this. Using Seedance 1.2, guys, I'm just telling you what using Seedance 1.5. So guys, I'm just telling you this so that you can be able to maximize your credits. Now you can see the aspect ratio. I'm going to set it based on what we have on the image. Then you can see the time, the duration, whether you want it 10 seconds or you want it 5 seconds. I'm going to leave mine as 5 seconds, and it should have sound, so you can now see when you turn all this on, you can now see your credit is jumping up. So you see so if you want to minimize it, you can see with sound it costs this amount of credits. So you have to ensure you take the right one that's best fit for you. Now, if you now go up again, it's going to see, and I use 720p, it's going to give me this. And with this, I'm going to make it leave it as this to maximize my design. So now you can see this. I've finished setting up my design. Now let me just increase it to 10. I'm just going to use these credits for just this tutorial sake. So I'm just, because I think what I want to generate should be more than 5 seconds. I just want something that will explain the video more. That's why I had to use that amount. So now for this, now I'm going to now generate, click on generate. So with these settings, for this I can generate up to at least two videos per day with a new account. If now I'm going to now click on, sorry, I forgot to enter my prompt, so let me just quickly enter the prompt here. Now I have added the prompt. This is the prompt I want to add. It's just a very simple prompt. You can see I'm going to now click on generate. So once I click on generate, you can see it's now generating my video for me. It's generating my video. It's on the way. It's generating my video. So now, guys, if you exhaust your credit, what you can simply just do, you can create a new account. You can log out from this account and create another account with a different email, and you continue generating your video the normal way we normally do it. So guys, I just wanted to show you guys how this particular platform looks like. So let's just wait for the video to finish generating, and I'm going to show you what the results of the video. Alright guys, you can see it's done generating my video. What you can simply just do, you can click here to download the video. You can also click here if you want to regenerate, redo it, you can just go. But now let me just click here to download my video. So guys, you can see my video is done downloading. Let me play it so that you see what it looks like.
像这样，用手掌托住他的背，再轻轻扶住他的头，这样就稳多了。
Alright guys, you can see from what it generated, you can see that it actually gave me in Chinese language. But guys, I went ahead to try it again using a different account, and I tried it out, and it gave me this time around with English language, meaning it actually is big because of your prompts. Probably if you remember this particular prompt I just gave the instruction teacher, there was no, I didn't really specify what they were saying to know, so that the AI will know that yes, it is supposed to read or it's supposed to talk in English language. That was the reason why it gave me just speak Chinese language and gave me in Chinese language. But guys, it can give you generate your videos in any language you want to use. So guys, just try this website out and let me know.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.